Hi mga langga! Sa mga bago po pala sa page ko, ako po si Mami Rain, a solo parent to 3 boys whose dad grew a pair of wings way back 2019, and this is my solo parenting journey. So eto po yung mga ganap ng Easter Sunday. Diba usually kapag Easter Sunday, lumalabas yung family, nagpa-family bonding, outing, swimming, ganun. But for us, we decided to spend it with Dada. Nung Friday kasi, Good Friday, March 29, it was Dadad's 5th death anniversary. Pero dahil nga Good Friday, we weren't able to visit him. Aside sa wala kaming masakyan paakyat kasi nga Good Friday, wala masyadong bumabiyahe. So, hindi pa daw makakapunta dito yung tita at yung lola nila. Kaya sabi ko, sabay na lang kami. So, ayun na tamang reminiscing of memories lang habang yung mga bagets naglalaro ng badminton.
Hangin kayo. Hindi ko nakadula. Hangin!
Alam niyo bang hindi ko pa rin maisip na it has been 5 years already since their dad left us? And every time naiisip ko na it has been 5 years since, I've been going solo, parang it was more than enough time already for me to get back on the track. But here I am, still struggling in almost every aspect of my life. Most of the time, I feel like I'm stuck. Parang walang progress ba, ganun? Although I've been trying to remind myself always not to be too hard on myself and, just try to appreciate how well the kids are growing, ganun. Pero hindi kasi talaga siya madali. Kasi alam mo yung nasanay ka na may katuwang ka sa buhay, sa lahat ng bagay. And then, all of a sudden, you're going to do it all alone. So talagang nakaka-overwhelm lang din minsan, lalo na kapag sabay-sabay. Pero syempre, wala din naman tayong choice kundi ang patuloy na lumaban sa buhay. Alam niyo yun, breakdown saglit, tapos laban ulit. Parang yun na lang talaga yung naging motto ko ever since. Saka speaking of Dadad's 5th death anniversary, parang nasasad ako sa thought na, alam mo yun, naka 5 years na siya, pero parang ni minsan hindi ko na ipaghanda yung death anniversary niya. Although knowing him, he's like the most practical person I've ever known. Alam ko if he was here, he's gonna tell me to not to think about it at unahin yung mga bagay na talagang importante. Ganon kasi siya eh. Siya yung tipong, kunwari birthday ng mga bagets, he would rather take us in an out-of-town trip. Parang he'd rather spend time and money in creating memories with the kids somewhere. If you know us way back then, mahilig talaga kaming gumala nung andito pa yung daddy nila. Yung love language kasi ng daddy nila is service and time. He really loved to spend time with the kids. Sabi ko nga kahit na maaga siyang kinuha sa amin, he was able to build enough memories for the kids to look back to. I know wala namang perpektong tatay sa mundo, but he was really close to one. And I'm not even exaggerating. If you know him, really know him, you would know that I am not just saying this because, he's gone. Ganun talaga siya. He would always prioritize me and the kids over anything else. Parang sabi ko nga dati, parang sa amin na umikot yung mundo niya. So maybe he did that. Maybe unknowingly he knew that he's gonna leave us early. So yeah. So ayun at bumaba na din kami mga bandang 4 ng hapon kasi kailangan pang magbiyahe pa uwi ng lola nila pa Kulambugan. Tapos kami naman kailangan namin magpa-haircut kasi nga first Monday of the month kinabukasan. Si Kael lang pala ang kailangan magpa-haircut kasi sabi ko nga before, may inspection sila every first Monday of the month at parang may sanction pag hindi nakapagpagupit, ganun. Tapos ayun at nag-aya silang mag 7-Eleven after as usual. Sabi ko nga wala akong budget pero magsa-Sunday lang naman daw kaya sige go. Tapos ayun tamang tambay lang kami sa loob ng 7-Eleven nagpapalamig kasi sobrang init pa din talaga sa labas kahit na almost 5 na. Medyo maliit itong branch ng 7-Eleven na to kaya wala kang mauupuan sa loob, nasa labas lahat. Pero dahil nga sobrang init these days, baka mas mauna ka pang matunaw kaysa dun sa kinakain mong ice cream. So after namin doon, dumaan lang kami sa may talipapa. Ang plano ko talaga ay bumili ng isda. Kaso parang di naman ako familiar sa mga isda that time. Kaya ang sabi ko, bibili na lang ako ng mga gulay-gulay. So ayun lang at umuwi na din kami after kasi hindi pa kami nakapaglaban ng uniforms para kinabukasan. Masyadong na-enjoy yung long weekend. Hindi nakapaglaban ng uniforms. And yeah, thank you for watching our video. Please do us a favor and hit like, share, and follow. And of course, kita-kits sa sunod ng mga vlog. Bye-bye!